Kilobyte here, and this is a preamble of sorts, I suppose, to the SCCA Open Seat event from Saturday, where I got to test the new wheels and tires. It's can be very helpful if you're trying to sort out your car or you're driving, in my case both. So it was very helpful, a lot of fun. I did 8 runs, could have did some more, but it was really hot, so I left a little early. But a group of us from the Music City Miata Club went up. There was, I had heard 9 originally, but I think there was actually 11 people. Either way, good group, had a lot of fun. So I don't know what it is with the autocrosses, but the cameras always seem to have issues. This time, the one that was between the seats didn't work again, and of all things, my GoPro had switched into time-lapse. Now, quick rant on action cameras, GoPro, you gotta have a lock on this stuff. I can't be accidentally touching something and change it from what it's supposed to be. You know, when I reach back here to turn it on the side of my helmet, you gotta lock it. Sorry, rant off. So, all I have is my dash cam video, which at least, you know, at least it's consistent. So the new wheels and tires, my treadwear 200s, huge improvement over my rock hard stock tires. And surprisingly, a little bit, they drive better than my stock tires. Now I'm on the 17x8 wheels with the 235 4017 tires. They actually drive better on the interstate than my stock ones do. My stock ones they're really jittery on the interstate with this alignment, whereas these are just nice and calm, but they now stick. So I did not have to adjust my sway bars and things like I was thinking I might need to, because I couldn't get any turn in. Well, the traction control was on my first autocross, and I think that's what kept the back end from coming around all the time, because on my laps, spoiler, on the first one I kept traction control on, still learning the course and trying to get the feel for the new tires and stuff, so I kept traction control on. It actually turned in, but it felt like it had a little push. And then second run, I actually had an instructor with me, and I gotta say, he was really good, very helpful. And he's like, nope, turn it off, turn your traction control off. And the car went from pushing to be almost neutral. It still has a slight push, but it's almost neutral. I like trail braking. I like bringing the car in hard and sideways on the turns. No, not drifting, just 4-wheel slide. I don't know if the camera will pick up some of that, but maybe. But turning the traction control off definitely helped. Now at that other track, I may do it next time I go there. I may still turn the traction control off, but there's not a lot of free space for sliding. If you go off, you're going into the grass, and depending on where you go off, the grass isn't very far from the tree line. So we'll see. We'll see how that'll go. Yeah, okay, I know, I'll turn it off because I know me. But anyway, I definitely improved my driving. Very happy about that. That's the whole point of an open seat, is so that you can work and adjust on your car if you need to, and help your driving skill. The only thing I did to the car the whole time was lower pressures when it got hot. Lowered the air pressures. My first lap was very slow. It was 41.4. For the second lap, I had the instructor, so you may hear him talk a little bit, and that one went into the 29.9. It was a short course. I'll say in the laps what I got. You'll hear me say it, and I'll try to add text. My fastest time was my 4th lap, ironically with someone else in it. All my big gains were with someone else in the car. It's kind of funny. My fastest time was a 28:05, which really happy about. 5th run, oh, that was a good one. I felt I was on a really good pace right until I wasn't. And well, let's just say I hit my first cone and I wasn't going straight. So then my 6th run was after lunch, and I made a big mistake there with shifting. Okay, I missed 2nd gear. Yeah, no, my tranny did not blow up. I just missed 2nd gear. And then 7th and 8th run were decent. So enough of the preambling, or is that rambling? Here we are at the actual event. Hey, it's Gilbert here at the Open Seat event, Bowling Green at the National Corvette Museum. I've been doing some autocross. This is an open seat, so while you're timed, it's not competitive. You're not racing against anyone but yourself, theoretically. Of course, my goal is to beat all the Porsches. You know, I mean, you gotta have a goal, right? So, anyway, should be fun. This is my first time actually on a parking lot autocross, so.
Good.
Yep. Just trying to remember how to read cones. My first time on a parking lot.
Take it easy so there's nothing wrong. You know where the course goes.
Yeah, I'll try.
Glad.
Okay, position. Didn't set up very well, but I'll make it. $31,445. Okay.
Seatbelts on, helmets on, wristbands on, all kinds of good stuff.
We got it, Ken.
Good.
Okay, so remember, first 3 elements, and then you're going to that cone box, and you're going to go hard at it and brake before you go around the turn.
All right.
And then you're going to do the same thing going through the slalom to that next box in the corner. Just know that so far. Brake. Turn. There you go. Slalom, slalom, slalom. Brake. Turn. Through the box. There you go. There you go. There. Good. Brake. There you go. Gas. Element.
It is at the start, right? Oh, 29.9 something. Overshot badly. Better, better, better. .046. That's the one. Yep.
5. Oh, I completely blew that. Oh. Frick. $51.27, and I took out a cone or two. Unbelievable! I missed the shift. Oh, that's a horrible lap. Almost put the clutch in. I'm so unhappy with it. Okay, this is where I spun. Made it past. I'm doing good. Or was it this where I spun? This where I spun. Oh my. Unhappy. 30.4. Okay, I always blow that one. Something. Oh.
All right. Well, hope you enjoyed that. And oh, by the way, next week, Tail of the Dragon, Miata's at the Gap. I'm gonna try real hard to be there. Trying to get my schedule to free up so I can be there at least one day. And but if you're gonna be there, hey, let us know in the comments. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It's definitely appreciated. And take care.